Trying to connect your Canon printer to Wi-Fi, but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, the setup can feel confusing at first, especially if you're setting up a wireless printer for the very first time. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Canon printer to Wi-Fi with simple step-by-step instructions anyone can follow. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Make sure your Canon printer is turned on and ready. Then open or lift the LCD display panel, since all the setup steps will be done from there. Once you see the home screen, tap the settings icon on the display. A list of options will appear. Select Device Settings to continue. After that, scroll through the menu and open LAN Setting. From the available connection options, choose Wi-Fi. Next, tap on Wi-Fi Setup to start connecting the printer to your network. On the following screen, select Manual Connect. Your printer will now search for nearby wireless networks automatically. Wait a few seconds while the scan completes. When your Wi-Fi network name appears, tap on it to continue. Now select the password field that says Please Enter and type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Once done, tap Confirm and the setup process will finish. Your Canon printer should now be successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. You're all set and ready to print wirelessly from your computer or phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more printer tutorials. You can also contact us using the support numbers shown on your screen.